Use connect your USB 2.0 PC or Mac port to a printer, keyboard, mouse, or other USB-B compatible device. Molded angled connectors. Angled USB allows you to connect in tight-fitting areas. The molding provides excellent strain relief against conductor damage. Foil and braid shield. Double shielding prevents and protects the cable from unwanted noise interference. This helps to minimize interference for error-free data transmission between devices. Backwards compatible. USB 2.0 supports high-speed, 480 megabits per second, and is backward compatible with USB 1.1 and USB 1.0 devices. Packaging. To ensure you receive the highest quality products, C2G packages all product in C2G branded packaging. Just plug and play for keyboards, mice, modems, printers, and other USB peripherals. This cable provides a transfer rate up to 480 megabits per second depending upon the peripheral's USB version, and easily attaches to any USB device. Foil and braid shielding reduces ME, RFI interference, and twisted pair construction helps reduce crosstalk, thus ensuring high-speed, error-free data transfer. Its small right-angle form factor is ideal for today's compact portable devices while easily transferring data or charging your devices. Connector 1. USB-A male. Connector 2. USB-B male, PC and Mac compatible. Supports high-speed USB 2.0 devices, 480 megabits per second, and is backwards compliant with full-speed USB 1.1, 12 megabits per second, and low-speed USB 1.0, 5 megabits per second. Top reviews from the United States. Fits right and works perfectly. These are great. I bought them for my DJ controller since the case it's a really tight spot. Now I can get the 90 degrees RCA adapters and I will be all set.